Hello everyone. Today we are seeing hematopoiesis. What is hematopoiesis? The hematopoiesis, it is a process in which the new blood cells are formed. The formation of a new blood cells is known as a hematopoiesis. It is a most important process that occurs throughout the life in our body, and the production of red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. The process of hematopoiesis starts in a bone marrow, which is a soft, spongy tissue found inside the bones. The bone marrow contains stem cells, is also known as a hematopoietic stem cells. These hematopoietic bone cells have the ability to differentiate into the various types of bone cells. The hematopoietic bone cells are the pluripotential, meaning they can give rise to the all types of blood cells. They undergo the series of steps and differentiate the stages to produce as a mature blood cells. The process of begins of an division of an hematopoietic stem cells into two daughter cells. The one remains an stem cells while another it is a progenitor cells. The progenitor cells are more committed specific image and undergo a further differentiation into either myeloids. Myeloid progenitor cells differentiated into red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Such as white blood cells are include granulocytes and monocytes. Another it is a lymphoid progenitor cells. These are gives rise to the lymphocytes, which plays the important role in an immune system. The differentiation of a process is regulated by the various growth factors and cytokinins, which plays the signals for the maturation and proliferation of blood cells. For example, the factors include erythropoietin for the red blood cells production, thrombopoietin for the platelet production, and granulocytes, colony stimulator factors for the granulocytes production. Once the mature blood cells are formed, then they releases into the bloodstream to perform the respective functions, such as red blood cells are carries oxygen to the tissue, white blood cells are performs the defense mechanism of a body, and platelets are help for the clotting of blood to prevent the excessive bleeding. When the disruption of this hematopoiesis process, which can be leads to the various disorders such as anemia, thrombocytopenia, immunodeficiency. These conditions can be leads to the significant impact on overall health, and it requires the medical interventions. So here we see the what is hematopoiesis.